Hello. Today, we will be taking a look at one of the easiest ways and fastest ways you can make money online in this digital age. For over 15 years, I've been training people. I've been in ICT and computer training, digital skills training. I've come to realize one thing. One easiest way, or one of the easiest ways you can make money online is by creating digital products. I know you may be wondering, hey, what is now digital product? How is it created? What is it all about? That is what we're going to break down in this video. My name is IK, and today we'll be taking a look at one of the easiest ways you can make money online in this digital age. Now let's break it down. If you have a skill or a knowledge, or you have this expertise in a body of knowledge or in any area, if you at any moment, any time or any point, people come to you for advice, people come to you, to learn something from you, that means you are so good in a particular area. Believe me, you can be able to monetize that knowledge. You can be able to sell that knowledge and make money online. Now, some people will say, I don't have any knowledge, I don't have any expertise. The truth is this: for those who don't have any knowledge, you can look for a skill or knowledge, something so many people would want to know, something so many people are hungry, they would want to know more about that thing. You can go learn it, then convert it into a digital product and be able to sell it to people. One good thing about digital products, like the name digital product, it's not a tangible product. It is something people can buy and get it online. One good thing about it is that you can be here in Nigeria and sell it to so many people online, in so many countries, in so many continents. So let's break it down. Imagine you are an accountant. Is it possible there are a lot of people who would want to learn the basic things in accounting? Bookkeeping. Is it possible people would want to learn how they can be able to meet up with their tax obligation, be able to have the whole information about taxation? Is it possible you turn that into a digital product? Yes, so many people have done that. Are you a medical doctor? You can put up information like basic health information that pregnant women need or nursing mothers need. You can turn that into a digital product. Are you a mother? That is also something you've done. You've given birth and you are so good at telling people what they need to do, the type of food they need. You can put that into a digital product and sell that. I've seen a lot of mothers do that. Whatever you do, the truth is this: you can turn it into a digital product and sell it. If you don't have any knowledge, in fact, do you know that I've seen people who have traveled to some places, and these are places people would want to travel to, and while they were trying to process their papers and to go there, they documented everything. At the end of the day, they turned the whole thing into a digital product and they're able to sell it. So it is not a rocket science. The only problem people have is not the knowledge or the skills. Most people have these skills. In fact, there are so many professionals out there who give out free information, who give out free consultation. Yes, it's good. Even when you create a digital product, you're still going to give free information, free consultation. But the truth is this: why not turn those who really want more into paying customers? That is what we are looking at here. Now, how do you go about creating digital products? How do you go about selling them? First of all, let's take a look at some of the digital products you can create. You can create an ebook. One of the digital products you can create is an ebook. As like the name is, ebook. You're not printing anything. You are just creating it, pushing it to people. When people buy, you send it to their WhatsApp and they will pay you, or they will pay you, then you forward it to their WhatsApp. So you can turn your knowledge into an ebook and push it out there for people to buy. Another way is webinar. You can organize a webinar. Another one is WhatsApp training. See, I've seen people do WhatsApp training where they tell people the knowledge they have, that they are going to give them step-by-step, procedure of how to achieve this or how to do this. And then they invite them via WhatsApp, and then they do the training, send them documents and things like that, and they are done. I know a lady that did one training, and I think close to between 50 to 100 people attended that training. I think they paid like either around 2,000 or thereabouts. Now multiply that. That training lasted just for 2 hours. So that should make you to, start thinking about what we are talking about. So like I said, you can do an ebook, you can do a webinar, you can do, WhatsApp training, you can create online courses, short video courses. And if you know how to do it, you may not even have to build your own website. There are so many websites that can help you to sell, like Seller. Seller is there to help people who create their own digital product to sell and make money. If it's a video, do you know you can use YouTube to host your video? And it's only those that you give access to it that will be able to access it. So if you have any knowledge, one thing we've come to realize is that most people have this knowledge. The problem is how to create it or turn it into a digital product and how to sell it. There are so many ways you can monetize your knowledge. There are so many ways you can monetize your skill. So if you are looking for one way to make money in this digital age, first of all, look deep inside. Is there any knowledge you have that you give to people? When you give them this knowledge, when you advise them, when you consult for them, they are so happy. Why not turn that into a digital product and push it out there? Okay, let's assume you don't have any skill, you don't have any knowledge. Why not do research and look out for something people are looking for? What matters will be the number of people searching for that. Turn the message they will get. See, people are lazy. You can search for something online, right, on Google, turn it into an ebook, upload it back to Google and other platforms. People will pay. They will pay you because most people don't have that time to do that research. So you can do more research and come up with 50 ways to lose fat, 50 ways. The major thing is how you go about it, how you do the marketing. So if you don't know how to go about it, there are so many trainings we offer here at Bismarck Technologies, but I can tell you one. We have our scholarship training. In this scholarship training, we will teach you how to create an ebook. We will teach you how to create other digital products. And most importantly, we will teach you how to sell. See, if you create 1 million digital products, if you're unable to sell it, then there is no reason creating those digital products. So we are going to teach you how to sell using digital marketing. So with digital marketing, we'll show you how to sell. And not just that, you'll be able to learn how to design your own professional website using WordPress. And that's one good thing about digital products. If you know how to build a website using WordPress, you can create a page where you upload your products, the things you've created, and leave them like an ebook or things like that. When people visit that page, even if you are sleeping, they can pay. They can buy your products. So if you are looking for a way to make money in these digital products, think about this. Create a digital product. Remember, the first step is identify that knowledge you have that a lot of people would want to have. That skill you have that a lot of people would want to have. Then package it. The training we do is what will help you to package it. But if you don't have any skill, you don't have any knowledge, you see, all hopes are not still lost. You can still learn them. There are so many digital products you can create. The only problem people have is getting started. Why not take that step today? If you attend our training where you ask all the questions you want to ask, believe me, by the end of that training, you will be able to come up with how to create a digital product and sell it even to people outside Nigeria. Till I come your way again, my name is Ike. If you have any question, if there's anything bothering you about this, there's something you don't understand, please, let's have it in the comment section. Till I see you again, remain digitally informed.